It's your girl Kadasia Taylor, and I'm back with another video. I just uploaded another video just then, and I'm doing another video of how to sneeze with your eyes open. And I never do that. I never. But I'm trying to do like this, or I'm going to use a toothpick.
Trust me with your mouth closed.
Whatever these call it.
Trust me.
This is not a toothpick. I don't know what this means.
Trust me with your mouth closed.
Okay. You can do that. Okay. But we will be giving away free fidget spinners. Just hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and hit that thumbs up button. So I hope y'all like this video. And let's get right into the video. Okay. What is this? Comment down below and tell me what it is. I don't know what this is. I call it a toothpick. Well, okay. I think I have it. Okay. Oh, let me roll it. Yeah, let me roll it. Okay. Right. Okay. And go see, download Color Switch, my favorite game, Color Switch. See if you can beat my level of fidget spinner 35. But I'm gonna try to beat it right now. Let me show you. I just broke it. Hold up, I'm gonna show you. See, I didn't make it. But try to beat my score 35. And let's get right into the video. Okay, I'll see it. You're gonna make me sneeze. Okay, let me take this paper out. I'm taking the paper out. Hey, Cameron, do you have some scissors? Okay, I'm gonna just do like this. It's fine, ain't it? Okay. It's just making my eyes watery. Okay. Try again. I gotta sneeze. It's tickling. I'm gonna cry. Okay, tell me. Comment down below. See if that was a fail of a good job. I guess I cannot sneeze. I'm trying another nose. Get that paper off. Hold on. I can't do it. Let me go get some tissue. I'm gonna sneeze. Hold up. Beware. I sneeze with that snot. When I sneeze, snot come out, but don't think it's nasty. Everybody's not. Everybody has snot, and then I'm gonna make my energy go. I'm gonna sneeze. Is this available? Hold up. Hold this thing. Did I blink? Did I blink? I blink. I still blink. And I got a cramp. Oh! Did it work? Did I blink? Okay. Let me see. Well, this always works when I search these. Sorry. Hold up. eye blank. I'll keep trying till I get it right. Yeah, right. Now, boy, I didn't see. I didn't blink. Yay! I did it. Comment down below if I did it. I don't know. Because I didn't see my eye blank. Okay, I'll stop doing it. Way to make me see. I'm thinking address now. Oh, yeah. We're missing something. Oh. Comment down below if y'all like dabbing. Yeah, just dab with it. Dab with it. And my dad outside, he's gonna cook on the grill again, like we just did. But it's Memorial Day, but okay, we gonna celebrate. Duh.
That's by the way.
It's on the grill.
That's my homie. That's my daddy.
But if y'all didn't see it.
That grill.
But hit that like button and hit that like button. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video by doing these with your eyes open. But I hope y'all like this video. And bye.